The diagram shows a floor plan of Jill's conservatory. Jill is going to cover the floor with tiles. The tiles are sold in packs. One pack of tiles will cover 2 meters square. A pack of tiles normally costs £24.8. Jill gets a discount of 25% off the cost of the tiles. Jill has £100. Does she have enough money to buy all the tiles she needs? Show all your working. So the first part, we have to find the area of the shape, and we can see that it's a trapezium and a rectangle. So the top part is a trapezium. So if I say that ABCD, name it, ABCD is a trapezium, join CD. So ABCD is a trapezium and the rectangle is CXYD. That's a rectangle. So then we can say the total area will be, before I do that, I need to find the height. So the height of the trapezium would be, you have the whole height is 3.4. So the height of the trapezium is going to be 3.4 minus 2.2, and that is 2.1. So that's 1.2, sorry, that's 1.2 meters. So the height of the trapezium is 1.2 meter. So that, then we can work it out. So area would be, first the trapezium, sum of the two sides, parallel sides. So that would also be, CD would also be equal to 3 meters. So it would be, sum of the parallel sides is 3 plus 1 multiplied by the height, which is 1.2 meter, and divided by 2. So that's the trapezium, plus the area of the rectangle, which is 2.2 multiplied by 3. So then we get 4 times 1.2 divided by 2 is 0.6 plus 6.6, and that is 4 times 6 is 24, 2.4 plus 6.6, and that equals 10, 167, and 2, 9. So that is 9 meters square. So that's the area. And now we come to the second part, which says one pack of tiles will cost 2 meters square. Sorry, will cover 2 meters square. So if one pack of tile covers 2 meters square, then the number of packs of tiles, if I just say packs of tiles required, that would be 9 divided by 2. So that would be 4. 2 times 4 is 8 and 1. So that's 4.5, or approximately 5 packs to keep it whole. You can't have 4.5. So 5 whole packs she will have to buy. So cost would be of the 5 packs would be 5 multiplied by 24.8, and then there is a discount of 25%. So discount here means 25% off the cost. So then she'd have to pay 75%, and 75% is also equal to 75 out of 100. That equals 3 out of 4. So we are going to multiply this by 3 out of 4 to get to the cost. So then what do we get? That would give us 15 multiplied by 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 2 is 8. So 15 multiplied by 6.2. So I do 6.2, 15, and 0, 1, 31, and 0, and 62. That's 0, 3, 9. So I get 93.0. So that would be, cost would be £93. So that's the total cost, and Jill has £100. So the answer is yes, she has the money to go ahead and buy the tiles.